Okay, in this practice, you'll be identifying the case and number of each noun and the tense and number of each verb. So just a quick reminder, case is always going to refer to nominative, dative, or accusative, and the number will always mean singular or plural. And then for the verbs, tense is going to be present, imperfect, or perfect, and then number will still be singular or plural. So I'm going to pause again for 10 seconds, or about probably 5, and then we'll begin again. Okay, so Alexander is going to be my nominative singular, and that's because it ends in an R. Fratribus, the IBUS, is going to be dative plural, and then statuas with that AS is going to be accusative plural. And then Emmett with that T is going to be present singular. My apologies for that handwriting. Okay, Alexander is still nominative singular. Puero with that O is going to be dative singular. Statuas, AS is still accusative plural. And then the T, we're still dealing with present singular. Quintus with that US is going to be nominative singular. Now what's interesting here is you have an NT here. So suddenly we have a plural verb, but we can't have a plural verb with a nominative singular unless, because of these commas, we now have a new nominative. So this is going to be nominative plural. Dissentiabat, that BA makes it imperfect plural. Same thing with lacrimabat, imperfect and plural. That ends that little thing. So inside of the commas was something different. And now we have Diodora with that O ending. It's going to be dative singular. And old man, it's going to be accusative singular. And then tradidit is going to be perfect singular. Okay, for Quintus, we have a nominative singular. I'm going to try and see if I can find a stylus. Okay, so nominative singular. Pictoria is going to be dative singular because of the I. And then EM makes this accusative singular. Then offert is going to be present singular. Servus, that US still makes it nominative singular. Mihi, this is a form. It's actually dative singular. It's the dative singular form of ego. Makes this accusative singular. And then the long E here makes this a perfect singular. Okay? This is just kind of a good review for our grammar that was learned throughout stages 1 through 9.